Have you ever seen a bright ring around the sun, or two colorful spots beside it, or tall beams of light in the sky? These magical sights are not spatial effects. These effects made by tiny ice crystals floating in the air. Today we are looking at three beautiful sky effects: halos, sundogs, and light pillars. We will learn what they are and how they form. Let's begin. First, what is a halo? A halo happens when you see a bright ring around the sun. This ring forms because high in the sky there are thin, wispy cirrus clouds made of tiny ice crystals. These ice crystals bend the sunlight like little prisms. When millions of crystals bend the light in different directions, it creates a perfect circle of light around the sun. Most halos form at 22 degrees, which simply means the ring always appear a little distance away from the sun. Halos often show up before rain or storms because cirrus clouds usually come before a change in weather. So when you see a halo, the sky might be telling you that weather is about to change. Now, what are sundogs? Sometimes when you look at the sun, you may see two bright colorful spots on its left and right, like the sun has two extra mini suns. These are called sundogs. Sundogs form when flat plate shaped ice crystals in high clouds catch the sunlight. These crystals act like tiny glass plates falling gently through the air. Because they are aligned horizontally, they reflect and bend sunlight in a special way. When the light passes through these crystals, it spreads into colors, just like a prism. That's why sundogs often look red, orange, or blue. Sundogs appear most often when the sun is low in the sky during sunrise or sunset, because light can pass through the crystals more easily at that angle. They are common in cold places but can appear anywhere if the sky has the right kind of ice crystals. Now moving to what is light pillar. A light pillar is a tall vertical beam of light that seems to rise from the sun or even street lights. It looks like a glowing column reaching into the sky. Light pillars form when flat plate like ice crystals float in the air, usually during very cold weather. How light pillars are formed? Light pillars happen when flat plate like ice crystals are suspended in the air. These crystals act like tiny mirrors, reflecting the light directly toward your eyes. When millions of crystals line up horizontally, the reflected light creates a vertical beam. Light pillars don't only happen with the sun. Even street lights, car headlights, or city lights can create them on freezing winter nights. Now, let's compare in brief. Halo, what you see? A glowing ring around the sun. How it forms? Light bending through ice crystals. Ice crystal shape, many shapes, random orientation. Sundog, what you see? Bright rainbow like spots beside the sun. How it forms? Refraction through horizontally aligned crystals. Ice crystal shape, flat hexagonal plates. Light pillar, what you see? Vertical beams of light rising or descending. How it forms? Reflection from flat crystals. Ice crystal shape, flat plates acting like mirrors. Halo, sundog, and light pillars shows us how tiny frozen crystal can paint the heavens with stunning patterns. If you enjoy learning about these sky phenomena, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science stories. Thank you for watching this.